We've all seen those wasteful hand warmers that you throw away after a few hours of use. They feel great for a while, but disappointing when the warmth fades and you have to go buy a new pack. So today, we're putting that problem in the past with our new rechargeable hand warmers. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you'll need to warm up in no time. Inside the box, you have a little carrying case. Open that up and you'll find your user manual and warranty. Then you'll find a double USB-C charging cable. And this is to charge your two hand warmers. The hand warmers have a charge port in the front and a power button on the top. Turn it on and the hand warmers warm up in just 3 seconds. Then you can push the button again to cycle through low, medium, and high settings. This will last anywhere from 8 to 15 hours, depending on the setting. They feel great and really pump out some heat. It's starting to get cooler here, so I've been taking them with me to stay warm when I'm out and about. I can keep them in my pockets to warm other sections of my body, and then hold them in my hand to warm up when I need to. Whenever I go mushing, my leash hand will freeze against the cold wind, but now I can keep some feeling in my fingers with or without gloves. I've been using them when I go on hikes, cruising the trails, or working on the farm. And then I even use them to warm my house slippers when I'm working at the desk. They keep my feet warm, my hands warm, and other places we won't mention. You can even clip them together to have a double-sided warmer. Toss it in the bottom of the sleeping bag or inside your coat, and you'll be warm for hours. That being said, these are a perfect gift for anyone living in a colder environment. So if you're looking for something to put in your emergency bag, or want to frequently stay warm like me, these rechargeable hand warmers might just be for you. Till next time, I'm gonna go warm up my slippers again. They're really cozy. See ya.